Hey there, welcome back to my channel.
Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many Instagram users have been experiencing recently.
It seems like the music feature in Instagram Notes is not working for some people.
So, why is that happening?
Let's find out.
Firstly, it's important to note that the music feature in Instagram Notes is not available in all regions just yet. Currently, it is only accessible to users in India, Europe, Japan, and most parts of the United States. So, if you're in a different location, that could be the reason why you don't see the option to add music.
Another reason why the music feature might not be working for you is if you haven't updated your Instagram app to the latest version. Instagram frequently releases updates that include new features, bug fixes, and improvements. So, make sure to check for any available updates in your app store.
After updating, you can check your Instagram, and if you are located in any of the region I stated earlier, then you will get this feature soon.
Thanks for watching.
Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.